A pleasant day to everyone. My topic for today is all about the psycho-spiritual development. When we say psycho-spiritual development, it refers to the growth and integration of a psychological and spiritual aspect of a personal life. Now, since we talk about the development of our psycho-spiritual development, I have a question. How can we improve our psycho-spiritual development? Simply, there is development or growth if there is connection. It is the connection within our inner self and connection to the universe. When we say connection within our inner self, the best example of this is the meditation. In meditation, we need concentration, focus, in order to us to build a connection within our inner self. So through that, if there is connection within our inner self, so magkakaroon ng development, 'di ba? The second one is the connection to the universe. When we say connection to the universe, it is the connection within our community or society or within our environment. That is the connection to the universe. There are three parts of the psycho-spiritual development. The first one is the self-awareness. Psycho-spiritual development begins with self-awareness. It is because do you think there is improvement or development if there is no self-awareness? Syempre no. It is because if there is self-awareness, you have knowledge, you know how to understand things or kumbaga, nagkakaroon ka ng understanding kumbaga kung ano yung mali sa tama. Like for example, alam mo na mali yung bagay na yun, tapos ginawa mo dahil wala kang self-awareness, hindi mo alam kung anong ginagawa mo. The self-awareness is, nagkakaroon ka na ng understanding, nagkakaroon ka ng knowledge between sa tama and sa mali. That is the self-awareness.
First part of my report is all about emotional intelligence. Developing emotional intelligence is an important aspect of psychospiritual growth. It involves recognizing, understanding, and managing one's own emotions, as well as empathizing with the emotion of others. Halimbawa, isipin natin sa isang sitwasyon kung saan ikaw ay may kaibigang may pinagdadaanan sa kanyang buhay, sa personal na buhay. Sa halip na agad na magbigay ng payo o solusyon, gamitin mo ang iyong emosyonal na intelihensya sa pamamagitan ng pagiging maunawain at mapagdamay. Pakinggan mo ang kanilang mga saloobin ng bukas palad at may pag-unawa. Ipakita mo ang iyong empatya sa pamamagitan ng pagsuporta at pag-unawa sa kanilang nararamdaman, sa pamamagitan ng pagiging sensitibo sa kanilang pagharap sa suliranin. Ikaw ay nakakatulong sa kanilang pag-unlad at kaginhawahan sa emosyonal na aspeto. Part 2 of my report. Connection to something greater. Psychospiritual development often involves exploring and nurturing a connection to something greater than oneself, such as higher power, nature, or universe. This can provide a sense of purpose, meaning, and transcendence. Halimbawa, isipin mo ang isang taong naglalakbay sa kagubatan at nadarama ang kagandahan at kapangyarihan ng kalikasan sa paligid. Habang siya ay naglalakad sa ilalim ng mga puno at nakikinig sa huni ng mga ibon, nararamdaman niya ang kakaibang kapayapaan at pagkakaisa sa kalikasan. Sa sandaling iyon, mararamdaman niya ang koneksyon sa kalikasan na lumalampas sa kanyang sariling pagkatao. Ang karanasang ito ay maaaring magdulot ng pakiramdam ng kahalagahan, kabuluhan at pagiging bahagi ng isang mas malawak nga buhay at sistema ng kalikasan. Thank you.